Tajikistan is the historical land of culture and civilization of the Central Asian region and the birthplace of the greatest scientists, doctors, philosophers, poets and writers, including the birthplace of the famous philosopher, doctor, physician, peripatetic and scientist Ibn Sina. Ibn Sina are in the Western world, and the name Avicenna was born into a Tajik family and served humanity. The Tajik state, the Samaniyans at the time in the Central Asian region, were the guardians of culture and civilization for the Arab and Islamic countries of the Middle East and the world, and all of Avicenna's books written in Arabic and Tajik Persian languages. Welcome to Tajikistan, historical land by the heart of Central Asia.